Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Nathan coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 84 degrees with rainy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the White Sox lost last night against the Indians with a score of 3-11. The Cubs won last night against the Mariners with a score of
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Welcome back to another fabulous week here. We hope you enjoyed the extra day off for Labor Day and did some fun and special things with your families and your friends. I know I had the chance to even swim, I figure maybe one more time right before cooler weather comes, so I hope you also got to do something fun. Do you have any examples from last week, Mrs. Fry, of students being champions together?
I do. I actually witnessed a lot of great champions on Friday at the end of the school day when everyone was dismissed to buses and walking. I saw a lot of older kids helping the younger kids get onto the buses. Any kids that looked confused, there was either a staff member or a teacher that was jumping in and helping everybody get to their buses at the end of the day and being so polite with each other. So that was really great to see champions together, especially at the end of the day.
All right, happy Tuesday. Let's be champions together, Hoover.